Abemeza ko becho kureberaho kirungi bigambirwe State Minister Godfrey Kabyanga owa National Guidance obwabira ry'umjenyo mukuru aha mukoro gwo kuhendera umushomo gwo kugunjura abeji ba Metoma ogumazire biro bibiri kandi ogukurirwa office za Town Council omuri Metoma oguresorwa b'ekitongore cha ICT and National Guidance.
Be someone who motivates society. A leader must be someone who influences society. And the leader must be someone who guides what? Society. Three things. You must be an influencer, you must be a motivator, and you must be someone who guides society. Now, you have been elected. If you are talking about people should go into livestock, should go into poultry, how many hens do you have in your home?
Abebembezo n'abashobora kuba abakozi nuko gwentaro z'akarura kawire bakasasirana kandi bakakorera hamwe.
Nira katiri kurugayo. Money is your voice. So murodesende ukiona mumosho mubire murachigo no mutarachigo murodesende. Ebe bakambyanga me service delivery emutonizira kubaho, you will not use the roads effectively. Muzaza have been telling us roads are there, but people are along the road. Murodesende.
Mukorono gugumwe ho nabasha bokoresa gizakarumagezi no koraje mirimo ya government.
Kandi twine cyo bakweta Computer Misuse Act. Obundi basaka kwate ibintu bisindikasi miyoria bakwata ni bakosa act ya computer misuse. Nitubashaba mwegendesereze okumutwas ningashoka mukosa isimu na social media yangu. Abakuya masimuni gashishire munonga imitwalire yitu ningashi engesho z'abantu.
Abantu tebakujja mu office kubanga bakukyayokola bubi. At times that is not the case. Bagala balabeka ate ku face empya. Ngana yeri ko mu office naye nga bamuvuga ko mu double cabin mwe bakuvuga. Possibly ajja kubatwalako. You know, nature is such that we always make choices. You understand?
Turakinga omu district yitu obumwe noratube tarukwatanisa abira mu divisions konka divisions ezo tutandika na after this training intekateka nguneza kwamu abo kuba we have been imparted and impacted with different and a lot of knowledge from this training.
Habiro kugabaza certificate ahari aba batendekirwe ngakamanyiso ko kubasima umugandi abagizi ba meya wa Mbara City North Division gumisereza cya wishoboraziyo katozi bashemerirwe ahubwo businguzo bwatungire ogu asingira no rukwingana kanana 13 arukusinga Benono Mugume ow'ekibini cya NRM oyihiriyo bururu kashanju bibirabira na mushanju abagizi bo kurugomya nyanko mu katare karwe bikona akakora norya katengeto akashanyarazi hamwe na nyakinengo muri biharwe bamukorira imbaga kandi bamushabira kugarukana n'ababiri batari kumuhagira.
Bwana meya kora rujaha ozimire deputy speaker actually abo kabanterira amasimu go kunkwata speaker cyakozere yaterera operations commander wa barracks yanterera simu yajatigana fora kwateho nterera simu obo mutakira karo batakakwire iwe cyo takifa korora abantu utashorore dini utashora buri kimwe cyona kandi mukarukita akataba mu nyangiro.
Abaturano n'abashabira kubakorera nguto no kwesiwereza bw'amizi marungi hamwe n'ubundi buherezo barukwetaga.
Umuntu warira cyuma cyawe takupuri ahubwo kuba ibintu by'abantu tucyankari biro
naye tukushabana kimwe service delivery bangugambire cyo ekikusingise ecyo kubanza n'amasomo ecya kabiri no gukora.
Gashakwa Onesmus Ndianabo hamwe na Fred Turiyakira Kabango.